What if I told you that somewhere on the internet right now, there's a system quietly running businesses for people while they sleep, and the owners barely touch anything? No meetings, no daily posting, no constant hustling, just systems working in the background. A few years ago, pulling something like this off would have been expensive and stressful. You would have needed an SEO expert, a professional writer, a WordPress developer, and enough patience to survive endless revisions. That kind of setup can easily drain tens of thousands of dollars before you even saw results. Today, artificial intelligence has changed that entire game. With less than $20, you can now build a machine that scans the latest news on the internet, converts it into high-quality money-making content, and publishes it automatically, ready to generate income on autopilot. And no, this is not one of those side hustles that looks shiny today and disappears tomorrow. This is a real sustainable online business model that scales quietly and compounds over time. If that sounds interesting, then make sure you stay with me, because the foundation of this system is something most people already use every single day without realizing its power. And what am I talking about? Google News. Think of Google News as the world's biggest information pipeline. It pulls breaking stories from thousands of sources: business, technology, health, science, finance, AI, and places them in one constantly updated stream. Every minute, new stories are published, and every minute, millions of people are searching for information related to those stories. That's the opportunity. Instead of guessing what to write about, we let the internet tell us exactly what people already care about. Once you land on Google News, you are not there to read casually. You are there to observe patterns. You are looking for categories that naturally connect to products, services, or solutions people already spend money on. Technology, health, business, AI, finance. These niches don't struggle to monetize because products already exist with them. When you find a category that makes sense, you don't need to overthink it. You simply capture the feed link. That link becomes the raw data source for your entire business. Now, here's where automation steps in. Instead of manually tracking news stories every single day, you connect that feed to a system that automatically pulls new articles as soon as they are published. This is done through an RSS engine, which basically acts like a conveyor belt for fresh content. Every news story enters the system without you even lifting a finger. But raw news alone doesn't make money. This is where AI earns its keep. The feed connects directly to an AI engine that rewrites those news stories into original SEO-optimized blog posts. Not copied, not spammy, properly structured content designed to rank on Google and keep readers engaged. The AI doesn't just rewrite randomly, it understands context, creates clean headlines, organizes content with proper formatting, and turns breaking news into evergreen articles that search engines love. Each article is unique. Each one targets a different keyword. Each one has the potential to bring traffic long after it is published. And once the content is ready, it needs a home. That home is your website. Instead of complicated setup, modern hosting platforms like Hostinger now allow you to launch a WordPress site in minutes. No coding, no design stress, just a clean, fast website built specifically to host content. This matters because search engines reward speed, structure, and consistency. Once your site is connected to the automation, something powerful happens. Every time there's a fresh news, a new article is created and sent straight to your website as a draft. You can review it, make small edits if you want, and publish it. Or let it run fully automated once you are confident. Now imagine this running daily. One article becomes 10, 10 becomes 50, 50 becomes 100, each one indexed by Google, each one quietly pulling traffic. That's exactly where monetization kicks in. The simplest layer is ads. When people read your articles and click on ads displayed on your site, you earn. It's passive, it's scaled with traffic, and it requires almost no effort once you set it up. But ads are just the foundation. As your site grows, brands begin to notice you. Companies pay to place their products or services inside articles that already get attention. These deals can range from a few $100s to thousands per placement once traffic is strong. Then there's affiliate marketing, the most powerful layer of them all. Instead of just informing readers, your content naturally recommends tools, products, or services related to the topic. When readers click and buy, you earn a commission. Some programs pay small percentages, others pay aggressively. Either way, the income stacks. What makes this model powerful is that it doesn't depend on you showing your face, posting daily on social media, or chasing trends. It depends on the system, structure, and consistency. Once set up correctly, it keeps working. That's the difference between hustling online and building something real. If you are serious about creating assets that generate income quietly over time, this is one of the smartest ways to do it in today's AI-driven world. If you want a deeper breakdown, traffic strategies, scaling methods, and how to optimize this for higher earnings, then drop a comment below. Like the video if this opened your eyes, subscribe if you want more practical systems like this. Whatever you do, never stop making money.